for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price. Agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.